Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both devices. Install Share It on your PC and phone and grant storage and location permissions so file transfer works. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth because Share It creates a direct link. Make sure phone hotspot is off to avoid network conflicts. You do this now to allow the app to discover devices quickly. Next, choose sender on the device holding files and receiver on the other device. That initial role selection makes the pairing process straightforward and fast. You continue by actually connecting. On the sender device, pick Files, tap Send, and let Share It search for nearby devices. You do this because selecting files first speeds up transfer initiation. Once the receiver appears, accept the incoming connection and enable visibility so the sender can complete pairing. If discovery doesn't work, use the QR code scan or let the sender create a temporary hotspot as a fallback. These methods ensure a stable link when automatic discovery is blocked by network settings. You finish by watching the transfer progress and keeping both devices close and awake to prevent interruptions. This reduces packet loss and speeds completion. Once transfer ends, save received files into your chosen PC folder and verify by opening a sample file so you confirm integrity. If anything goes wrong, restart the Share It app, toggle Wi-Fi, or reinitiate transfer using the QR scan method. That one key troubleshooting tip often resolves discovery or connectivity failures quickly so you can retry without losing files.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.